Hello Stampers, and thank you so much for joining me today for another Stampin' Sunday video. This is Laura Buechler of Inkyfingers Papercrafting, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Nanaimo, BC. Today I'm going to show you one of the wonderful new bundles you can earn for free during Celebration, the Friendly Hello Bundle. Now the bundle includes this photopolymer stamp set and 12 sheets of beautiful 12 by 12 designer series paper. This paper is absolutely gorgeous on its own with these delightful floral patterns and soft pastel color palette. We can also do something super fun and special with this paper, and I'm going to show you that today. So this is the piece of designer series paper that I'm working with today, and you can see it's absolutely gorgeous already. It's got this stunning granny apple green background on it, but I'm going to make it even more special by stamping directly on the DSP. The images in the stamp set coordinate perfectly for you to be able to do this. Now all that's left to do is stamp and punch a sentiment. And now I'm ready to assemble my card. I'm going to use some fresh Freesia open weave ribbon to embellish. Finally, some silver and clear epoxy essentials. And there's my finished card. Remember that you'll get a chance to win this card when you share the video from my public Facebook page. Leave a comment below to let me know that you've shared, and maybe I'll be sending you this card in the mail. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. I really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Please drop me a comment below and let me know what you think. And if there's something specific that you'd like to know more about, just ask. Remember that you can purchase all the products shown on my website, inkyfingers.ca, where you'll also find more project tutorials, current promotional details and catalogs, the events calendar, and the sign up for my email newsletter. Have a great day, everyone, and happy stampin'! Bye!